Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing massive glowing rings stretching from horizon to horizon. Not just a beautiful sight, but a complete shift in how we experience life on Earth. But would these rings be a blessing or a cosmic curse? Saturn's rings are made of billions of icy particles, reflecting sunlight like a celestial mirror. If Earth had rings, our nights would never be truly dark, and sunsets would explode in surreal colors. But hold on, rings aren't just for show. They could change everything, from our weather to our view of the universe. NASA simulations suggest that if Earth had rings, they'd likely form inside the Roche limit, the same zone where Saturn's rings exist. But what if they were made of rock and dust instead of ice? That means they'd cast permanent shadows on parts of the planet, cooling some regions while overheating others. A world with rings might be beautiful, but it could also be unpredictable. The first problem? Light pollution. Imagine living under a sky that never gets truly dark. Astronomy as we know it would be nearly impossible. Telescopes would struggle to see past the glare, making deep space discoveries much harder. Then there's the effect on weather. Rings could disrupt global climate patterns by blocking sunlight in certain regions, leading to colder winters and more extreme storms. Earth's natural rhythms, tides, wind currents, and even seasons, could shift unpredictably. Then there's the effect on weather. Rings could disrupt global climate patterns by blocking sunlight in certain regions, leading to colder winters and more extreme storms. Earth's natural rhythms, tides, wind currents, and even seasons could shift unpredictably. And what about space travel? Rockets would have to navigate dangerous ring debris just to leave the planet. Satellites, constantly at risk of collisions. We might even need new launch sites just to find gaps in the ring system. There's also the psychological impact. With rings dominating the sky, our perspective on space and time might change. Would humanity still feel the same sense of wonder when looking up? Or would we feel trapped under a cosmic ceiling? But here's a mind-blowing thought. If Earth had rings, ancient civilizations might have developed differently. Navigation, mythology, even technology could have been shaped by their constant presence. Our history itself could be written differently. And what if these rings weren't stable? Over time, gravitational forces from the Moon and Earth's own rotation might cause them to drift, break apart, or even rain debris down onto the planet in a slow-motion catastrophe. NASA's research on planetary ring systems suggests that such rings don't last forever. If Earth once had rings in the past, they might have already eroded into space. So could it happen again? Could a massive asteroid impact or a destroyed moon create a new ring system? Earth with rings would be stunning, but it wouldn't be the paradise we imagine. Our planet, as it is perfectly balanced for life. Rings might just tip the scales in ways we never expected. Beauty often comes with a price, and in this case, the cost might be too high. What do you think, Galactominds? Would you trade our dark night skies for a glowing ring system, even with the risks? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, keep your eyes on the skies. Thanks for exploring the cosmos with us today. Keep questioning, stay curious, and always look to the stars. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe to join the Galactominds. Sharp, brilliant explorers taking over the internet with our vast space knowledge and endless curiosity. Until next time, keep reaching for the unknown.